Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recharge TP-Link Wi-Fi router online. Let's get started. If you're trying to figure out how to recharge or add credit to your TP-Link Wi-Fi router online, there's a very important thing to understand first. Your TP-Link router is just a piece of networking hardware. Its job is to take the internet connection provided by your company, like Comcast, Spectrum, AT&T, or Geo, and broadcast it as Wi-Fi throughout your home or office to all your devices like phones, laptops, and smart TVs. The router itself does not have a subscription or a plan that you recharge. You cannot add money directly to the router. The service plan, the monthly bill, and the internet subscription are all managed 100% by your internet service provider, or ISP. Therefore, if your internet has stopped working and you're thinking you need to top up the router, what you most likely need to do is pay your internet bill to your ISP to continue the service. The process to do this is entirely through your ISP, not through your TP-Link device. To pay your bill or renew your subscription online, you need to contact your internet service provider directly. You should visit their official website or use their mobile app. There, you can log into your customer account, view your current bill or plan status, and make a payment using a credit card, debit card, or other online payment methods they accept. You can also call their customer service hotline for assistance with payments or subscription renewals. Once the payment is processed with your ISP, your internet service will be restored, and your TP-Link router will begin working again as normal, distributing that connection to all your devices. Now, while your router handles getting the internet into your home, a VPN virtual private network is a tool that protects and enhances how you use that internet connection on each of your devices. Once your IP service is active and your TP-Link router is online, using a VPN is a smart next step for security and access. A VPN encrypts all the data leaving your phone, computer, or any device connected to your Wi-Fi. This creates a secure tunnel that shields your online activity from hackers on public networks and even from your own ISP. It also allows you to appear as if you are browsing from a different country, which can help you access geo-restricted content on streaming services or websites. When it comes to choosing a VPN, you want one that is reliable, fast, and easy to use across all your devices. NordVPN is consistently ranked as one of the best VPNs on the market for these reasons. It offers strong encryption to keep your data private, a strict no-logs policy to ensure your activity isn't recorded, and a vast network of high-speed servers around the world. This makes it perfect for everything from secure browsing and banking on your home Wi-Fi to streaming international content without buffering. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.